Day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs, and today we're making a pine cone garland. This project is affordable, easy to customize, and adds a natural charm to any space. Let me show you how to make it. I love holiday decor that feels natural and cozy, and this pine cone garland is the perfect example. It's simple yet makes such a statement when styled on a console, around a door frame, or even as a table runner. All you need are a few basic materials to create a piece that works beautifully on its own or paired with greenery for a fuller look. For this project, I'm using a bundle of pine cones in different sizes for texture, jute cord for that rustic look, and hot glue to hold everything in place. These simple materials come together to create a stunning garland in no time. My goal is to create a garland that feels balanced and textured, with a mix of large and small pine cones spaced evenly along the jute cord. I'll use hot glue to secure the pine cones, making sure everything stays in place. Once it's done, I'll style it as a standalone piece and show you how it looks paired with a green garland for added depth. First, I added small loops at each end of the cord for easy hanging. I laid out the pine cones along the jute cord to get a sense of spacing. I alternated between large and small pine cones to create visual interest. Then I secured each pine cone to the cord using hot glue. Pro tip, press the pine cone gently onto the cord while the glue sets to ensure it stays in place. Be careful with the hot glue, it can get messy. The trickiest part was making sure the pine cones were evenly spaced and securely attached. If the glue isn't strong enough, they might slip off when you hang the garland. I had to adjust a few spots to make sure everything stayed in place. All the pine cones were glued on, the garland started to take shape. When I styled it on my TV console, it looked perfect on its own. But I also tried layering it with a green garland, and the result was even better. The pine cones add a natural rustic touch that's so cozy and festive. In the end, this pine cone garland turned out exactly how I envisioned. Simple, stylish, and versatile. Whether you use it as a standalone piece or pair it with other decor, it's a great way to add holiday warmth to your home. This project reminded me that sometimes the simplest materials can create the most beautiful results. Thanks for watching day 9 of my 12 days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow, I'll be sharing day 10, where I'll show you how to make a stunning pinecone tree that looks designer but costs a fraction of the price. See you there.